What's up, guys? Welcome to Pennsylvania Tack. It is Saturday, the big kahuna. Me and Joey been tied to the hip this whole weekend, but today we're shooting with a epic fun bunch. We're doing a video for Jeff Cordero's channel where me and him do a rematch. Only the second time we shot together, so it'll be super fun. And we have other guys in the group as well, and gals. On this camera, I'm gonna rip sort of a bonus vlog and give you guys a little bit of a tour of the tack in Pennsylvania. Got bowling alleys right here, pretty sick. It's a ski lodge. It's beautiful out here. There's a beautiful water hole up here called the Foggy Goggle and a lot more, so I'll take you guys along. Can you give me a 1 to 10 review of the Foggy Goggle as a water hole?
10 out of 10 will mess you up. It's a really good vibe though. They got 3 pool tables in there, so any bar with a pool table, I'm there, you know. And if you have 3, even better. 2 different bars, lots of room, a little dance floor, stage for a DJ or a little band to set up. I would say it's a honest review, probably say 8. Okay. 8 out of 10.
All right. How did we fare there on Thursday night?
I don't know how we finished there, but I had a really good time.
All right, and here's the vendor area right here. And then the bar is right up here. So pretty dope.
Also, cannot comment on the price of drinks. Do not remember that either. All in all, a great time, pal.
Hey guys, check it out. Today in the bonus vlog, we got my guy, David Hauser, absolute legend. And show me the bow. Let's flex on him a bit.
All right, we got the Hoyt Beast AX90.
Yup.
Racked out with all the goodies, shooting the Excel landslide, Hamsky rest, Beast Archery nose button, stabilizers,
HLRs, baby.
I mean, it's the best arrow I've ever shot, tell you the truth.
Come on, baby. David's a good guy. I know him well. Makes a great broadhead, maybe one of the best. Hyped.
That felt gross.
We're in the bonus vlog right now. How do you feel about the bonus vlog?
I'm quite happy to be here, but I'm out of breath.
This video, we're doing a rematch. If you would like to see it, go to his channel, Jeff Cordero.
Yep.
We got his name is I would have had it, bro. And then we got David. He's up here. He doesn't. Look at that surprise break. That was a Joel Turner break for sure.
Shout out Joel Turner.
You ever punched the trigger, baby?
Maybe when I was a child.
Not anymore though.
Nah.
What if it's super windy?
No.
Still no.
Nope, never punch.
Okay.
I'd rather miss than punch it.
Really? Talk me through that for the bonus vlog.
So, a big thing is I've never had like significant target panic. When I was younger, I maybe did when I was like 10 or 12, but I really started shooting a hinge with a click. Indoors, I shoot a hinge no click, like a really long, drawn out action. So just that surprise, calm motion, just aiming in the middle, not focused on anything else. A good friend of mine in Vegas was having an issue with target panic and punching. One of my other friends, Chance Bobass, won Vegas multiple times, one of the most decorated professional archers ever. He said, I would rather shoot a 0 than be out there letting my shot break down. So I was just committing, ensuring that you just keep your process no matter the conditions. Longevity, much better for archery.
God dang, this is why he's a professional right here.
I was surprised I hit the thing.
How do you feel about being in the bonus vlog right now?
I feel blessed, man. Just out here with your goofy butt and enjoying it. Little collab. So shout out to Bow Disciples.
Come on, baby.
Beast Broadheads.
Yes, the best in the game.
Absolute ambassador.
Come on.
Merch, day in and day out.
Yep, check it out. You got to have the merch. They have great merch, by the way. Beast.com. Is it beast.com?
Beastbroadheads.com.
Beastbroadheads.com.
I'm going to have to talk to corporate about
Yeah,
that.
I might be fine now. Joey, you said you were a little shaky on that one, bub?
Yeah, I'm surprised I hit the target, but I squeaked it in there.
Okay.
I see why you made me go first.
Why?
Because I'm up here, I'm like,
yards,
still out of breath.
Yeah.
James is like, hey, how about you go first?
You're in better shape, bro. Look at you, bro. You're trim.
Getting here yesterday.
No, I don't.
It was a disaster. You woke me up and I was spinning.
I'm so glad I slept in.
That broke pretty good. Tracked.
Oh, I think somebody had. No one has binos, no one's spotting.
I was filming for you, buddy.
Isn't that kind of
For the
like
high?
I'm on the
track
bonus
good.
vlog.
Yeah, it's just a little high.
You think
turn
it's a
around,
10?
nobody says shit, you're like, fuck.
I'm like, is it good or bad?
Darn it.
Somebody's got to tell me.
Get in there. Right side of the insert, I think.
That sounds
Made it
about
through the window,
accurate.
though.
Hey, That's a good
I was
bonus
like, if it
vlog
goes low
clip right
I'm gonna
there.
hit that tree. Just
This
try
is
not
my
to do that.
17th video of the weekend.
We're gonna be editing for a month.
Oh, for sure, for sure.
Follow through looks delicious.
No.
We're on the way up here.
Oop.
High five.
So, what now?
Jar liquor.
I'm ready to punch one.
That's not a word you use?
No, I like it. What does that mean? Like you're close?
Jar liquor?
You're
You
on the
never
edge.
heard the jar liquor
Yeah,
term?
I'm surprised he's never heard it.
Yeah.
What does that mean? Like
So,
you're close to the line?
It's like edgy on the line. Like
Okay.
jar liquor, or another one in Target Archery, a big redding one is Screamer.
No way.
Screamer at
Never heard
7.
the screamer.
I never heard it until Reading.
These are going to be.
slurs, or are we talking? What's going on here?
No, they're target terms, baby.
Target term.
These are going to be in my rotation.
Yeah, I'm a screamer myself.
Jar liquor is a good one.
Technically, it's
Jar liquor.
Screamer at 3 on the 12.
I'm a screamer 12.
Yeah, you're Screamer at 3.
Wait till I get up there.
I'll be one in the cheeks,
Yeah.
100%.
All right.
Get a trigger out there. I'm hammering it.
All right.
I'm back to my good hunting shots. That's all that matters.
What are we doing here for the bonus vlog?
For the bonus vlog, slash kind of for the real video, these last few targets have all been unmarked, and I was supposed to do it on the last one and I forgot, so I'm doing it on this one.
Yep.
Yep.
Oh, just
nope,
under.
That's not it. That's
Just
not
under.
it, guys.
You hit the leg.
Crushed it though.
The vlog.
Yes.
Explain this little spot where I'm giving a little tour of the venue.
This is the best spot in the whole
Kit and caboodle.
kit and caboodle. It's the coffee shop. I don't exactly know what it's called, but it is on your way in. You got to go down, and out to go to the back, essentially, to where the vendor village is. And this is where you want to stop if you ever come to PA TAC. They got ice cream, they got pastries, they got cupcakes, they got breakfast sandwiches, and they, best of all, they have coffee. They have coffee.
And it has a very cute aesthetic.
It does, very gingerbread house-like.
What do we got here? Tell me where we're at and what
The
we're doing.
Foggy Goggle, the legendary Foggy Goggle.
Yeah.
Whiskey for lunch.
A bloody pal?
I have a bloody double, I think, maybe. Spicy. Have a half order of loaded barbecue pulled pork nachos coming in a Nashville hot sandwich.
75 pounds of nachos about to go down.
Show what you boys got this guy.
So-
Dude.
You tell the story. Came across Instagram last night, obviously. I'm like, hey, he's talking all about you guys. He's like, oh yeah, they're there. But didn't see you, so came across the Instagram feed. He's like, I need me a fucking smoke. I was like, oh, got a pack.
Since Thursday, I bummed one smoke for the first time in like 10 years last night. It was a Marlboro Light.
Take as many as you want, brother. Take as many as you want. Tap will make you do this, man. It'll do it to you. It will.
I'm double fisted, baby. Let's
Scale-
freaking go.
Scale 1 to 10.
You guys are legends, dude. Thank you so
We got
much.
back yesterday and we each had one. So,
I brought my
mean,
lighter just because I was like, I feel like they're gonna pull through. We pulled through. Hey,
Do you see?
a lovely long dark double time.
Look what they got him.
Oh boy, are
they commented on this video and they're like, if you guys are still there tomorrow, I'll bring them an American Spirit, and they brought me too.